All right, number 13, similar to 12, we want to find the product of two numbers that equal 360, whose sum is 39. So I'm just doing it the mathematical way with writing the two formulas and factoring it out. You could also kind of do guess and check. So the last one I did with the formula, this one I would just show you a guess and check. So let's look at all the numbers that add to 39. There's not a whole lot, but we can just look at pairs. So if I start at 39, similar to a problem that we've seen in this section where they add the ends, okay, I can add 1 and 38. So each time I do this, I'm going to be adding 1 here, subtracting 1 here. I can do 2 and 37, 3 and 36, and we can just keep going down the list. 4, 35, 5, 34, 6, 33, 7, and 32, 8, 31. I'm gonna start a new column. 9, and I'm gonna put a multiply because I want to multiply these numbers, and I want to see which one gives me 360. 9 and 30. 10, 29, and we can keep going. So let's just test some of these. So if I use my calculator, just based on the list I have, I can tell for sure that 1 times a number is not going to give me 360. It doesn't even look like 2. So let me jump down. And as you go up the list, I think the numbers should get bigger to a point, and then they might start going back down, kind of like a hill. So I'm going to second quit. I'm going to go to the home screen. So, and I can just type these products in. I can do 1 times 38 just so you can kind of see. If I did 2 times 37, we get 74. So you see the numbers going up. If I did 3 times 36, still increasing. I'm looking for 360. So I'm going to drop down and I'm going to go to 7 just to see what that is. So I'm going to do 7 times 32. Okay, it gives me 224. So I'm still not quite there. I'm still increasing. If I did 9 times 30, where are we at? 270. So I'm not there yet. 10 times 29, just add a 0, 290. So I still got a little ways to go, but this is just another method you can do if the factoring is a little bit more of a challenge. So we got 11, 28, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then I'm going to do a few more over here. So that'd be 27, 26, 25. I'm going to go ahead and drop down. Since I know it ends in a 0, I'm going to try 14 and 25. I feel like that might be it. But just as you go down, you can just kind of easily guess and check. This is one of the methods I want you to be able to do. 14 and 25 gives me 350. Looks like we're almost there. So probably the next one. That'll be 15 and 24. So let's try this one. 15 and 24. I believe that'll get us there. 15, 24. Okay, we get 360. So you can do it with the factoring method, which I showed you on the previous one. That's a little bit more math heavy, more of a college algebra type problem. Here with just problem solving methods, guess and check is very acceptable. And one of the things, like I said, is a law skill, estimation and rounding. So this is not a bad method to use to solve either. So I'm going to do 15 and 24.